You're going to love the 2004 Nissan Maxima. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 250 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Nissan infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, an outside temperature display, and a split folding rear seat. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front and side impact airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.